Hello, and welcome to Japanese Craft Beer Reviews. Today we take a trip outside of Japan. We're going to Belgium, and we're going to go to a brewery which I had never heard of before. I've seen their bottles somewhat recently in a liquor store here, but I've never tried them until today. And it just so happened that they put them on a discount because the drink by date is coming up in about a month. So I decided I would pick it up and give them a go. And they had three types, I believe, but the what's left on the shelves is only two. The brewery is called Bertinchamps, and it is a Belgian brewery. It's as it says here, an authentic family brewery. And in fact, what I found online was that the brewery was started by a man named Benoît Humblet, and his children founded the Bertinchamps name in the form of a farm. They were looking for a brewery for the family brewery, and they found it in a farm, Bertinchamps farm, in Gembloux, Namur province of Belgium. I'll put a map up here. It's a little problem with the light. This man's family, they found a farm, and it's called Bertinchamps Farm, so they named the beer after that, in Gembloux, Namur province. And after 2 years of renovation, they were able to get their brewery system installed in the old barns in the farm. And they have fermentation tanks with a capacity of 6,000 hectoliters, which translated into liters would be 600,000 liter capacity. So they make a variety of beers, including very common Belgian styles, things like a blonde, a triple, a brune, and a blanche. And that's what we're going to look at today, the blanche. And the blanche is I guess what we call a wit beer, and this one has apparently natural lemon extract. It also includes coriander, which is a common feature of wit beers, 5% alcohol, and 17 international bittering units. And the price on this was 272 yen in dollars, US dollars, $1.86, and in euros, €1.58. So let's give this one a go. I do like a good wit beer. I don't know why I didn't try these guys earlier. Could have been the price, I don't know. But now it's on discount, so better do it now. Right? Right. Okay, it is rather cloudy, sort of dull yellow with some kind of light brown tinge to it. Cannot really see the carbonation, but it's got a nice fluffy finger of foam, and let's give it a go. Some light cereal, some grain, just a touch of lemon maybe, some citrus note. Cheers. It's got some wheaty kind of sweetness. Quite tangy. The lemon is quite apparent. Well, it's not lemonade or anything, but definitely you can get a strong citrus note here. Coriander is kind of understated. Tasty. Yeah, pleasant. A bit fruit juicy. Not as well-rounded and smooth as a good wit beer should be, I think. Yeah, it's okay. It's all right. Pleasant enough. I'm glad I tried it, and I think maybe you want to go out and find it if you can. It's being imported into Japan. I don't know if they're going to import any more. But the Golden Bull? No, I'm not sure exactly who the importing company is, but Yamaya liquor stores were carrying these. They may still in your area, so give it a check or check it out and see what you think. Okay, once again, Bertinchamps Blanche from the Bertinchamps family brewery in Namur, Belgium. Hope you're staying cool. It's getting very hot here. Many places in Japan are reaching 40 degrees or so, which is well over 100. And and not sure if it's going to let up. We have a typhoon coming through, actually 2 typhoons, so it might cool off a little bit. We'll see. Take care, stay healthy, drink good beer. Bye-bye.